Hello guys. So we just did a bit of DJ today. I learned some new stuff, cool stuff actually.
Yeah, today's workshop was really good.
I learned a little bit about mixing, which I enjoyed it. So I think you guys should do it as well more often. You know, it's fun. I enjoyed it.
I thought I had to be here because this type of workshop is really needed in Darwin.
Yeah. So I'm gonna come here often as well. So
I'll definitely be back again.
Hey, I'm at DJ workshop. It's really incredible experience, and you get to learn a lot of skills with DJ.
I'm at the DJ workshop over here. I had a really fun time, learned some sick beats. Everyone here is super nice and friendly, and if I have a chance, I'll go back here anytime I want.
Okay, yeah, today's workshop was really good. I think it's gonna help me on my future as well. I think they're gonna teach me about the DJing and stuff.
It should happen more in Darwin as well.
yeah, I know, right? Yeah, we should do it more often, like this kind of things. It's fun.
Yeah.
And it's a new skill as well. New skill, yeah, right? Good thing.
Yeah.
Today's workshop was really good.
Hey, what's up guys? Charly Templar here. I just want to take this opportunity to thank the city of Darwin for sponsoring the DJ and mentoring workshop, as well as Darwin Community Art for providing this beautiful place. Also, I wouldn't finish this without thanking Audio Technica, my sponsor, for the DJ and work mentoring gifts that they sent to all the participants.
Yeah, it was a great success. We had a lot of fun, didn't we?
It was.
Taught a lot of kids, you know, some extra skills. You know, you don't have to be a professional. You don't have to know anything. You know, we teach you the whole thing. So, like I said, it's entirely free. Next time, come on down. Look forward to doing it again.
Thank you very much, and we hope to see you next time. Empowerment through music, sport, mentoring, and DJ workshop. Cheers.
Thank you.